Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rosemary. If you are new here, welcome and welcome. Please subscribe, comment and give me a thumbs up. So if you want to learn how to do this lovely quick hairstyle, continue watching. I will be using water, hairspray by Soft and Free which has castor oil. I will also use ribbons, bobby pins and Marley hair which is Afro, and not forgetting the hair gel. So I will start by spraying water to add some moisture. Then I will apply the Soft and Free black castor oil spray which helps me with softening and retaining moisture while making my hair manageable. Thereafter I will start sectioning 3 lines from side to side, then apply gel which is to assist with the neatening of the lines. I will then apply the hair gel to lay the hair down just before tying it, and then just tie the hair with a wool, then just wind it and then secure with a ribbon. If you can just use a ribbon without the wool. Then after tying the hair, I'll just wear a doek to lay the hair down or flatten it more or remove the excess gel that is on my hair. Now I'm going to show you how I prep the Marley hair before attaching it to my hair. I just take a ribbon and then attach it or tie it towards the end of the Marley hair on one side, and then this small piece of hair will help me with hiding my natural hair, and then the other one will be used to wind around. So I then went to do some light makeup while the hair was drying. So I'm just gonna attach the hair using the ribbon, then hide the natural hair with the shorter side of the Afro extension, then pin. So the next step is to take the longer side and twist it around or wind it around, then secure with pins until you feel like the Afro will not move. And then you'll be stress-free for the whole day. So the same method was used on the other two sections. So also, if you want the hairstyle to be more beautiful, you can add more Marley hair. Or if you would like me to try more Marley hair per section, please let me know on the comment section or on my Instagram. The good thing about this hairstyle is that no matter how much hair extension you use, the hair will still be light and not be heavy at all. If you're still here, thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed watching it, please give me a thumbs up. Please do not also forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Trust me when I say this is the best natural hairstyle, because I remember when I went to the mall, people were saying, you have beautiful hair, you have beautiful hair. So they actually think this is my natural hair. So yeah. So these 3 sections lasted for about a week, and I just untied the Marley hair and then put them again every morning. So if you have, or maybe if you don't mind, you can just sleep with them. But also another thing is you can just do 2 sections or just 1. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate your support. Please keep supporting me, subscribing, liking, commenting, and also sharing if you can. I will then see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.